Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. So today at the Alexandra Magistrate Court, Ukatiso Katie Molefe was back in court as the state moved to centralize several major cases against him and his co-accused. This includes multiple murder dockets, among them high-profile killings of musician DJ Somebody. If approved, all these cases will be combined and transferred to the Johannesburg High Court for one streamlined trial. But the drama didn't end inside the courtroom. Two of Molefe's alleged bodyguards were arrested right outside the court. Police seized two unlicensed AKM rifles, ammunition, and impounded their vehicle for mismatched license plates. Meanwhile, at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, testimony continues to paint a worrying picture of alleged links between Molefe and senior law enforcement figures. Witnesses claim suspended Deputy Police Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya had unusual proximity to Molefe and allegedly interfered with the KZN Political Killings Task Team by removing over 120 dockets, all of which stalled for months. These claims tie onto accusations that powerful figures were trying to shield criminal networks, including those targeting Molefe in raids last year. Sibiya was due to testify this week, but called in sick. His appearance has now been postponed to 2026. Where does this leave Molefe? He remains out on 500,000 rands bail under strict reporting conditions and without his passport. The state's next move is to finalize the consolidation of all dockets. The next court date is on the 24th of January 2026, pending the centralization process. This is a developing story, more updates as they unfold. With that being said, I would see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.